The birthday list begins with Kendall Jefferson. Now that is a birthday donut. My goodness, Kendall. A very happy 5th birthday to you in Pittsburgh.
Next, from Mound Valley, we have Rhett Jacob Thompson, and he's turning 5, and love from Mimi and Papa.
Alex Allen, A², celebrating number 18th. Alex, a very happy birthday to you in Girard.
Nick Johnson turning 40 from Oswego. Cool. Is that girl on a horse?
Yeah.
Wow, that looks like fun. Happy birthday, Nick.
That's a cool picture right there. Very well done. Taylor Johnston celebrating her 7th birthday. Now you see that young woman up there on the horse?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I bet you Nick has a better time celebrating Taylor's birthday than his own. I just got a feeling he's that kind of dad. I can tell. And Nick and Taylor, a very happy birthday to both of you. Of course, they're celebrating, as Bronte said, in Oswego.
Next, we have Caleb Edwards in Joplin. Is that
Got his plate full.
Is that a gingerbread house?
Think so.
That looks fun. Well, happy birthday, Caleb.
I think that's what it is. Cool picture, Caleb.
Yeah.
And Tyler Brock, give you a screen all to yourself, celebrating a 21st birthday. Go out there, have fun, be safe. Tyler celebrating in Cherryvale. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this December the 29th. That's where you can submit them to birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Bronte Sorotsky with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and you can get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Here's Michael with a look at what's coming up on the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14.